Welcome to lower body session 2. We're going to begin on our backs today, and that's where we're going to stay. So, lying down, we're going to start in reclined butterfly, soles of the feet together, legs open like a big diamond shape, and just stay here, allowing the knees to relax down towards the floor. If it's too much with the legs floating, you can place a block on either side underneath the knees or the thighs. Roll shoulders down and back. Close down the eyes. Calm breath. Notice how your body feels today. Maybe choose a word, pick a mantra, an intention for your practice. Nice, calm breath as you melt into this shape, releasing any unnecessary tension. And gently bring the hands to the outer sides of the thighs. Bring knees in together. And just take a couple of breaths here. Grabbing on to your block or your block-like prop, we're going to move into bridge. Supported bridge. So bringing the feet in close to you, lifting the hips, and placing your prop under the meatiest part of your seat. Roll the shoulders down and back. Palms face up, little opening into the front side body. And breathe here. If you would like, you can walk the feet a little further away from you. And just noticing how that changes the sensation. Bending the knees in closer to you if that feels better. Just honoring what you need. Eyes closed. Calm breath. Just allowing yourself to surrender into this shape. Stay connected to your breath. Softening more and more with a breath. And slowly bending the knees, bringing the soles of the feet close in towards you. Press into the feet, lift the hips. Slide your prop out from under you. Slowly lower the hips back towards the floor, just noticing how you feel. You can hug knees into chest here for a moment if you like. Do what you need. And we're gonna move next into supported fish. So we're gonna need 2 props. The first is gonna go lengthwise underneath the spine. So finding what that needs to feel like for you. The other underneath your head. So you might need to adjust a little bit, finding what feels good to you. You're going to open again through the fronts of the shoulders, creating some opening into the front side of the body. Adjust as you need. Close down the eyes and breathe here. Noticing your body, noticing your breath. Releasing tension and resistance. Nice calm breath. And slowly shifting your weight to one side, sliding your props from under you. And coming flat onto your back. Just taking a few breaths here. Hugging knees into the chest, couple of rocks side to side if it feels good. We're gonna bring the knees down and to the right. Opening through the upper body, shoulders, elbows relaxed on the floor. Tuck your right hip under. Adjust as you need to. Gently look over the left shoulder. Close down the eyes, reclined, twist. Settle in and find your stillness. Slowly make your way back to center. Can hug knees into the chest again, couple of rocks side to side. And now bring the knees down and to the left. Tuck your left hip under again, goalpost or cactus, the arms, shoulders, and elbows relaxed onto the floor. Gently look over your right shoulder. Make any adjustments that you need. Close down the eyes and settle here. Notice your body. Notice your breath. And slowly make your way back to center. Hug knees into the chest again. Little rock side to side if you like. And make your way to seated position. Nice long spine, checking in with how you feel. You can close the eyes. Hands to heart center, sealing in your practice for today. Opening the eyes. Hope you enjoyed for today. Namaste.